Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're on E-Trade. Now this is the Power E-Trade app because it's a little easier here to roll options in Power E-Trade. So I'm looking at XL Fleet. Now XL Fleet, pretty awesome. Affected by the chip shortage, just like everybody else. And the stock has been going down, but I'm very bullish on the stock. And I'm going to try to make some more credits on this option. So I'm going to roll it for another month. I'm going to go at the midpoint. Let's see. They're going to give me a 30-cent credit at the bid. And I'm going to go mid. So you can see it's not too hard to do this. Okay. A little bit of a probability analysis. Probability of profit, not so good. But we've already lowered my cost basis once, so let's see what we're going to get here. So hopefully we'll be able to get a credit. All right, put the limit in, 40 cents. I get 40 bucks and plenty of buying power. All right, let's go look at the orders. All right, let's go back to positions. You can see it filled at 40 cents. So awesome. All right, so now we have a put in XL Fleet for $6 and 40 cents. So we should be good to go. All right, lower my cost basis a little more and bullish on the stock long term. So be sure you guys subscribe and thanks for watching.